there, CrucialVacuum.comers. I'm Karen with you today. We're going to be working with the Eureka Airspeed vacuum cleaner and replacing both the DCF-21 filter as well as the Hepa filter. Now, as always, you want to make sure to unplug your vacuum before getting to work. Once your vacuum cleaner is unplugged, very simply, you're going to remove the dustbin. Now, the way you do that is just pick up that lever. And here's your dustbin. You want to swivel it so that you can see this little yellow lever here. So you're going to push down on the lever, remove the top of the dustbin, and that little piece right there, that filter, should just twist right off like that. And once that's off to the side, you can take your CrucialVacuum.com filter. What's great about these is you can wash them and reuse them. So if you are conscientious about the environment, like I am, you want to make sure that you're not constantly throwing out stuff that really can't get put back into the environment. These are great. Wash them, rinse them, dry them, you're good to go. You coming with me, Eureka? Let's go. I'm going to take this out. Now, this is the DCF-21 filter. I'm going to show you the best part. Take a look. See much of a difference? Other than the color, really, there's no difference. Guess what? This one's so much cheaper. And it got to your house with free shipping, and it fits exactly in the same spot that it needs to. You're gonna see these little sort of like levers that you're gonna wanna get that filter in, and then you just twist to lock it in place. Once it is locked in place, like so, take your canister, your dustbin canister, and now this is probably the hardest part about replacing these filters. On the front, you want to make sure that that top is right wedged on there perfectly. Once the front part is in there, once you get it on there and you hear that little lock sound, like that, CrucialVacuum.com. Once you've gotten the top back on your dustbin, you can put this aside for now because we're going to be replacing the Hepa filter. Now, what is Hepa? Hepa means high efficiency particulate air. What that does is for people who have allergies, people who suffer from asthma, this is the filter you're really going to want to buy, and you're going to want to get it from CrucialVacuum.com again because the shipping is free, because you're buying it directly from the source. It's made in the US. It's a great thing to have. So you want to take this lever here. The filter is EF-6, and all you want to do is sort of like unhook it just like so. Once you've taken this filter out, that's the old filter, and I'm going to put them side by side. CrucialVacuum.com filter, and I want to show you the difference between the two. Guess what? There is none. Oh, no, there is a difference. This one's so much cheaper. It's cheaper. It's really the better product to have because it's high efficiency, and it's going to save you so much money. Really what you want in your house and in your vacuum cleaner. So once we snap that back into place, you can take the piece that goes right on top. And again, once it's in there, you can take your dustbin canister. You want to go bottom in first. This little lever here, pop that, secure into place. You can plug in your Eureka and get right to work. I'll catch you at CrucialVacuum.com.